Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. Today I'm going to be installing and reviewing these crochet spring twists from Stamped Glorious, an Amazon hair company. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Me a beg you, me beg I dem father, make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me Jehovah, Father protect your soul. Can't stop me coming out to clean.
If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Now this won't be a step-by-step tutorial or anything, but I will be showing you some clips of how I install this hair, and I'll be getting into the details of this hair at the ending of the video. So thank you so much for supporting Styles by Honey. I love y'all so much. Enjoy the video.
She can't get over me, and me can't get over she. Anyhow, I wanna make you a wind up on me, so girl, me fall in love. Me buy you a ticket to Barbados, girl, me fall in love. Pretty little thing of me coming back. It a me comforter. Me love you.
Always feel the need to tell me things. Seems like they're just happier than us these days. These days, I don't know how to talk to you. I don't know how to be there when you need me. It feels like the only time you see me is when you turn your head to the side and look at me differently. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. And last night, I think I lost my patience. Last night, I got high as the expectation. Last night, I came to a realization, and I hope you can take it. I hope you can take it. Oh, I'm too good to you. I'm way too good to you. You take my love for granted. I just don't understand it. Oh, I'm too good to you. I'm way too good to you. You take my love for granted. I just don't understand it. Yes, it's me he want. Be a female visa, make me fly out regular. Baby, back up, I won't pass it up on it. Come on, something good on my fit. You are give me everything with it in our wallet and in his pocket. I back up, I won't pass it up on it. Come on, something good on my fit. You are give me everything with it in our wallet and in his pocket. kiss it better, baby. Been waiting on that sunshine, boy. I think I need that back. Can't do it like that. No one else gonna get it like that. So
Alright, y'all, so now that we're done with the install, let's go ahead and get into the details of this hair. Alright, first of all, I want to thank Stamp Glorious, an Amazon hair company, for sending me this hair. This is the Spring Twist Crochet hair, and it's 14 inches in the color of 1B30. So it's mixed 1B30 in the twist, and then the ends are 30. Each order comes with 4 pieces, and that's like 4 packs like this, and each pack like this comes with 2 bundles, and each bundle has 12 twists in it. So you're getting 24 twists in each pack, and you're getting 4 packs of that in each order for $27.99. They say 4 packs would be enough for a full head, but I have a big head and a big forehead, so I had to get 8 packs, and I used all 8 packs except for the last 1 bundle, so that's 12 hair and 4 hair. So I used about 7 packs and a couple pieces from the 8th pack. It also comes with a crochet needle and the rubber bands and the clips that I showed you in the beginning of the video. I thought it was going to be heavy because it's 8 packs, but it's not heavy at all. It feels like nothing is on my head. The only thing that's kind of bothering me is the tightness of these braids, but other than that, this hair is really light. Like, it's really light. It goes up into a ponytail nicely. It goes into 2 ponytails nicely. Like, I really like it. In the beginning of the video, when I was braiding my hair, I started off doing the new braid method, the braid pattern that BeautyCanBraid does. I have the zigzag parts over here. But when I was recording it, my arms were so tired and I was rushing. So I did half like that, and I did this half with the straight parts. That's with the straight parts, and here it is like the zigzag part. So the straight parts you see more scalp, the zigzag make it look a little bit, you know, more individual. I probably should have did my braids a little bit smaller because these twists are smaller, but yeah. Alright, so once again, thank you to Stamp Glorious. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up anyway. And drop a comment, let me know how you loving this spring twist hair. Let me know if you're gonna grab you some sus. They have a lot of colors. They have 1B, they have 1B27, they have this 1B30, and they also have burgundy. So you can mix the colors up. You can get a plain color. You know, you can do your thing, sus. I want to thank you so much for supporting Styles by Honey. Thank you to all my new subscribers, and thank you to all my returning subscribers. I love y'all so much.